I am Dr. Prakash Patil, Head Department of English, Miraj Mahavidyalaya, Miraj. I am here with you to share my ideas on this occasion of COVID-19 epidemic. Friends, I know that since last so many days we are passing from very terrible experiences of COVID-19. I know that all of us are in fear due to COVID-19. This COVID-19 is a virus which causes a terrible disease in the human being. I know that there is a terrible burden among the society. But dear students, don't lose your courage. Be ready to fight with this COVID-19 because COVID-19 is a virus and we have to ready to fight with this COVID-19. We have to fight with this COVID-19 with our weapon, immunity power. On this occasion, first and foremost, I humbly request you, be within in your house with your family members and take protection of all the family members. There might be some old members like grandfather, father, mother in your family. So friends, take care of them and provide them all the best things in your house. I know that, dear students, that at this moment you are really worried about your examination. Let us hope for the best that in soon time the university authorities, UGC and HRD ministry, soon they will take the decision about the examination. There will be a declaration of dates of examination in soon time. So be comfortable and do not worry about the examination. At the same time, I would like to appeal you that this lockdown period which is declared by our government is a shield for us which will protect you from this coronavirus. So friends, I will appeal you that you should keep yourself within your house. Stay inside the house and keep yourself safe. I would also appeal to you that take the care, washing the hands, and also eat healthy and nutrient food which will boost your immunity power to fight with this coronavirus. At the same time, I would also suggest you that this lockdown period is a period which we can utilize for best things in our day-to-day life. In this lockdown period, I would appeal to you that, friends, that you must have to read the good books which will be available with you. There are really good books in literature, science. Read these books and develop your knowledge. You have to utilize the lockdown period and seek the good books like Shakespeare's plays, Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan's novels. You might also read the books on Einstein. You might also read the books on Stephen Hawking and use this time for the good purpose. So lockdown period will also protect our health and you also utilize for to increase your knowledge. So friends, on this occasion, once again, I would like to appeal you that don't lose your courage. So ready to fight with this coronavirus and ready to banish this coronavirus from this beautiful earth. So finally, I would like to appeal you that you have to take the care of the society, of all the world, because we the people believe in Vishwachi माझे घर, that is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. All the world is kindred and the world is our home. So, dear students, believe in these values, best values of humanity, and help others to generate the knowledge of COVID-19, and we must ready to fight with this coronavirus in coming days. So with these words I conclude, and I also appeal once again to all of you, be in your house and keep yourself away from corona. Stay in a house and keep away from coronavirus. Thank you.